Hiccups. And then I saw this giant squirrel.
Whoa, Alex, you okay? Sounds like you swallowed a bug.
I think I just have the hiccups. It's not a big deal.
Not a big deal. You sound like a rusty robot.
Maybe you should try holding your breath. I heard that works. Or drink some water upside down.
Oxy gets the hiccups sometimes too. It's funny.
I've tried everything. Nothing's working.
Boo. Oops, sorry, Alex.
Look at me, Alex. Isn't this funny? Oh man, now I have them.
Just try to relax, Alex. Deep breaths. Maybe Oxy can help. He's good at making people laugh.
Go get 'em, boy.
I appreciate you guys trying. But I think I'm just stuck with these.
Wait a minute. Alex, are you sure you're not just nervous?
Nervous. About what?
You're supposed to give a presentation in class tomorrow, right? Maybe that's why you're hiccuping.
Oh my gosh, you're right. I totally forgot about that.
No wonder you're so jumpy. It's like your body is trying to speak for you.
We can help you practice. Yeah, we'll make it fun.
And Oxy can be your audience.
You guys would do that. Thanks.
You're doing great, Alex. Just remember to speak slowly and clearly.
And don't forget to smile.
You know your stuff. Just relax and be yourself. You got this.
He's gonna nail it, boy.
Thanks, everyone. I feel so much better now.
Throw caution against the wall.